Stars are everywhere in our life. We can even see drawings of them. But today, let's try to draw a star the quickest way as possible. Before drawing fast, we must know how to draw a 5-star star. So this star is only a succession of straight lines. So let's just draw a line like that. And then we have to imagine a little triangle going this way and then to draw a second line. So we can try to make as similar angles as possible. And there we have it. It might take some practice because we have to estimate things a little bit, but after some time, it's easy to get the hang of it. Now that we know how to draw the star, let's try to draw it the fastest. Yeah, they're not really pretty, so I guess there are a couple of problems. First, the lines are not straight at all. So let's make a lot of straight lines like this to incorporate it into our muscle memory. As you can see, they are really not straight. Okay, now it's getting better. I am practicing to make stars with straight lines. It seems like the faster I get, the harder it is to stay straight. I tried starting the motion with my arm instead of with my fingers, but I think it's harder that way, even though it's easier to draw lines. Okay, so now let's try to draw 100 stars with perfect lines to improve perfection. They're not perfect, but it's improving. Okay, I'm done. It only took 5 minutes. So while making some new stars, I found another problem. The proportions are not good. So to practice this, let's draw a lot of triangles. Because stars are made out of triangles. Yeah, I can't even draw a triangle. Either way, let's draw 200 triangles. I'm drawing too fast. I'm spending too much time just counting how many triangles I'm doing. Okay, so now I have done 100. They are not perfect triangles, but I want to get pretty fast. Finished! I think I improved at the end. So now let's see if this improved this. Let's just practice some more stars. Yeah, the proportion is definitely better, but something is missing. Something very important. The angles. Sometimes some triangles are asymmetric and it's just ugly. So let's just correct that. The star is called a pentagram. On a pentagram, each end measures 36 degrees. Let's see how that looks like. Since using a protractor to draw the fastest star would be kinda impossible, let's just draw a few similar ones. Let's try including one with a star. Okay, now let's do 100 angles. I found out that if I press slider, I can go faster. In the star, the angles won't be in that position. I'll try to draw it from the top to the last 10. Okay, I ended up doing 10 more. Now I'll do the 4 other sides. Oh, let's practice some stars to see if it's really working. Yes, it is indeed faster if you press slider. I guess it doesn't matter if the edges are round, but it is more important to just have the movement in muscle memory. That's the purpose of those small exercises. Now, let's just try to draw stars as fast as the speed of light. I try to rest my wrist on the paper. It is easier because there is less movement. I think that the upper edge is my weakness. I always start too slow. I'll try to improve it. Now's the final moment. Since it will be pretty fast, I won't time it right now. I'll just see the duration of my drawing while I'm editing. Oof, that one doesn't even look like a star. My best time is this. But considering both the quality of the star and the time, the best time is this. Hope you can draw a star the fastest.